Okay, looks like I'm white. Should be an interesting game. Okay, so he approaches here. We're just gonna back off. I really don't like pincering in the opening. It just feels like it makes the game too complicated too early. So I like to just back off and get a few points. He also is trying to get some points. Later I can pincer this, but again, seems too early. I can still develop the top side or reduce this side. Both kind of work. I can also 3-3, but not a big fan of that. I think I'll just approach this side to try and reduce this area. If he pincers, yeah, I'm just gonna 3-3. And this is a far pincer, so it feels like it's much harder for him to actually capture this stone. So it feels like he, yeah, has to add another move here, and I have Sensei to do something else. So I can push here to try and expand this. I can enclose my corner, or I can finally pincer here, which this feels like maybe the best one, because he never defended here, and if I were to enclose or push here, and he plays a move around here, he's not only growing the bottom side, but also the right side. Pincering close does the most damage to this single stone. I could also go high or farther, but if I go here, if he just pushes here, it feels kind of painful to do this unless I can capture it. If I play high, it's reducing this area, but I can't really attack this as well because he can try to make a base here. I can also shoulder hit and jump to try and reduce this side. Or I can attach because he played the small knights one, so I could attach here as well, or maybe even here. But this one seems simple, so I'll go ahead and try that one. Okay, he goes here. We're just going to simply jump out. We don't really care if he connects under. If we can turn here, get some stones on the outside, we're developing this side. It seems he really wants to grow this side. Okay. We're just going to keep growing our own side, which I feel should be around the same as his. And then we also have this corner and this corner. Well, this is his only area. Okay, so he does invade. Again, just going to be patient, back off. But here we're going to pincer, because I want to try and develop this side. And I believe we can do it in Sente. Maybe not. I guess I have to add a move here, but we have the ladder. He does take the corner, but we have more potential here. Looks like he wants to fight back. So I guess he agrees my area is bigger. But then he does this, kind of interesting. So I want to at least try and do something here. And this is probably my last chance to try and reduce it. So we're going to go ahead and attach here and see what he does. Okay, and I can crosscut. Not sure what I would do. I can extend here. If I Atari here, I can go here, but he goes here, here. And it's not really a ko, so I have to extend. Okay, very aggressive. But if I die here, it seems like it'll be okay because this was already his area. He's responding to every move, so I'm not really losing anything. But not sure how I want to handle it. Like if I can even just get some of it to run out here and I reduce this area, it's probably good enough. And here I can start to get some eye shape. Like I'm thinking I can attach here. Kind of sacrifice these if I need to, or I can Hane and do something to this group. But I don't really need to save everything. The main goal is just to get some kind of reduction here. Okay, a Hane on top. And if he just simply goes here and captures, I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like that's what he's going to do. Yep, I'll just connect. So I have this Hane or this Hane next. I'll go ahead and do this one. And he has to be careful. There is some cutting points here now. And I can push a few times here because he has some weaknesses here. I think I'll play here, threatening the cut. Also is giving me some eye shape. And I can also push here to reduce some more while getting some more eye shape. Okay, he just defends. I'm going to keep pushing in. Could be an overplay. I probably should just play here. Okay, he just simply defends. I'll go ahead and play here. And still some Aji here, still some over here. This corner is not mine yet. But if he takes the corner, I should hopefully at least get the outside. And looks like there's still some Aji over here that I can try and mess with. Not sure how I want to do it, if I want to play this one or the Hane. Hane is probably better. So yeah, let's try that one. Okay, so I'll keep pushing. Not sure why he did that one. Okay, but I'll just jump out because I got to make sure this group lives. And if he tries to push out this way, I can just make some more points over here. So now it looks like he's trying to do something over here. I feel like I should just sacrifice this one. He's already connected. I can't really cut it off. So I'm pretty happy just pushing here. And if he extends one more time, I think I'll just take Sente and protect my corner. And if he doesn't defend, later I can push out. And I can Atari, and get out. Comes back over here. This group's not quite alive, so I probably need to add some stones here. I think I'll just push this way. He can go here, but I can block. I might lose a few stones, but I would be happy to give those to him if I can develop the top side some more. Okay, he goes there. Not sure I like that one. So I can just block here. If he connects, I jump. If I try to be too aggressive here and I push, he blocks here, I could lose the corner. So I think I'll just block here and then jump out so my corner is not surrounded. Although I kind of already lost this area. This one's kind of weak. So maybe instead of pushing here, where if he does that one. Now that's pretty aggressive. My corner should be safe. So yeah, I'll just cut him off. He has to try and make a base. Maybe you can try something like this, trying to cut this group off, but feels like it should be okay, because now if I connect here, this is Sente. So it'll make this a little bit stronger. This group is all kind of connected, so I'm not sure if I have to worry too much about it. But if he didn't respond here, I could Atari and then capture. I'll go ahead and save this because it seems like it's Sente. And I don't want to get this group surrounded, even though it should be fine and alive. I kind of want to play a move here, which is kind of getting out to the center and also putting some pressure on his group. And I can peep here, which is threatening to push through and do some cutting. And if he just simply blocks, I probably just come back and defend my corner. Yeah, I think that's fine. Just come back, defend the corner. Okay, so now he's trying to reduce this area. This feels like the worst move, because it feels like he might be losing some in-game here. So I could Hane here, but then if he comes out, I double Atari, he goes here, I lose some stuff here, so I just need to capture. I guess maybe he's going to try and threaten to connect under and make a base, but I just go here and this is not two eyes. So it feels a little bit desperate, but it does put the pressure on me to kill him, because I'm probably behind if he lives here. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure he stays surrounded. I don't think I need to play here. If he goes here connects. This group should be fine. I can just surround him. I'm just going to push here to get rid of some eye shape. Yeah, I'll just clamp. He should only have one eye locally. Yeah, I'll just connect here. And I can just push and net. And my group should be fine. And I don't think he should be able to get two eyes here. And now running out this group becomes pretty big. And also this move becomes very big. But yeah, just gonna Atari. And if he connects, I just go here. Probably not here, he can Atari. So just connect here, and then he doesn't have two eyes. Okay, he connects. Yeah, I'll just connect. If he goes here, I can push. If he goes here, I go here. If he goes here, I mean, I can even just go there. But yeah, here I just get rid of this eye. He tries to get out. We're just gonna try and make good shape here. If he pushes here and cuts, I don't think there's really much he can do, because yeah, this group should be alive. When he pushes through and cuts, this group's alive. I don't think he can cut anything off. In fact, if he pushes through, he has to worry about me capturing the 3 stones. So if I connect here, which I think I have to do, he can Atari. If he pushes, I can cut, so he has to connect here. I can just push here. No. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can push here or here. Probably here, though. And if he pushes, I connect, and I should be able to make an eye here or get out. So it should be okay. He does that one. I don't really care about these stones too much, I don't think. The main thing is if I kill this, I should be ahead. So if he goes to capture that, I'm okay with it. This seems like a mistake, because now I just go here, this is captured. If he Ataris, I go here. He can't let me connect. He goes here, but then I Atari again. So this should just be captured. But this group should be okay. Okay, and yeah, he just resigned. Okay, but yeah, that was a pretty simple game. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I would like to thank all my Patreons, and I'll see you all next time.